Think you've seen it all on the road? Think again. From Mustangs losing control, telephone poles snapping in half, to truck drivers playing chicken, jumping lane changes, and fire trucks under fire, this ride is one you don't want to miss. Welcome to Dashcam Media.
There is something beneath. She's not acid nor alkaline. Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy shit! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Girls at the same time as like Sabrina Carpenter.
I want to say definitely.
Jesus!
Yeah. But Sabrina was only in it 2 days. So
yeah, because it was.
What the fuck? Jesus. Did you say something, the one you wanted?
I think it's Timmy or
Jesus fucking Christ.
Oh my god. Fuck! Fuck! Oh my god. Fuck! Fuck!
RLB 5950.
Girl, what are you doing?
What the fuck are you doing?
Given the data we've seen, given the crossover support that she has been able to win over, and even though she has leaned very much more into the Donald Trump endorsement, into the making America great again endorsement. For reference, in 2016, as the Republican senator running for re-election, she did not vote for Donald Trump, or at least publicly said she would not be voting for the former president. In 2024, and another 4 years of a Democratic governor, where this governor candidate actually might drag down the Republicans to a point where they no longer even have a supermajority in the state legislature. And all in all, that's really good news for the Democratic Party. So, governor's map here, 8 for the Republicans, 3 for the Democrats, absolutely no seats, change or switch party. Overall map, not changing. Now let's move over to the Senate elections. I'm sure many of you guys have been wondering, what do I think about the Senate elections? Or maybe you haven't and you just don't care. But I'm here to tell you regardless. The Senate races here, there are a lot of them.
So bad.
Y'all are the one trying to make the deal.
I see your legs starting to get shaky.
It's not like I'm going after y'all. I just want to win off of winning.
I understand that.
Yeah.
We should just agree no matter.
What the fuck are you doing?
Ooh! Where are we? Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Get infiltrated by Chinese spies, which happens all the time, right? Wouldn't you hide it away? Wouldn't you squirrel it away somewhere? Like, if you're doing the right thing, if you're being intelligent about it, wouldn't you? If I wouldn't, it essentially can't be public because it is in the interest of national security because it's such a big deal. Like, if they develop a propulsion system that is completely reliant on gravity and they figure out, like, they're bending time, just flying places instantaneously. If that's the future of space travel, like, whoever gets there first, that's it.
I happen to have a certain companionship with our feline mode of transport. What if we have the cat hold him under its paw the whole time? Like a mouse.
During World War II, Korean War, and Vietnam. Our so much money.
God damn it!
Country on our military to not having the right. Our so much money.
God damn it!
Country on our military to not having the right.
Pack up all your stuff. Leave the key upon the shelf. Time to put the pain aside. You can't criticize every version of yourself. I've been the bad guy, and I've been the sunshine.
Manual recording will now start.
Or other services. You can.
The fuck are you doing, dude? I was on you.
Good enough, I guess.
out in the fucking wet, dude.
Oh!
Oh! Wait! Oh!
¿A qué hora vuelve, señor?
A las 9:18.
Hoy, hoy.
¿Qué fue? Oh, no lo estaba viendo.
No.
El hombre va con.
Mustang 65 got that V8 engine with a fuel.
Oh, shit.
Injection. Drop the clutch. Pedal to the floor. Turn that kitty pot into a lion's roar. Dream machine.
30, and the women were fighting.
Okay. What the hell? What even was that?
Are you fucking nuts?